Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound. In these days of pandemic pressure is building, it is mounting, it is killing people, it is infecting people in large number. Better is to remain inside your home, stick to the book so that you can prepare the things for the examination and also can defeat the COVID-19 infection by sitting inside your homes. This home isolation is only remedy to fight against this deadly virus. Yesterday, a student called me to make me learn question number 7 of exercise 10.2 circles. Very important question often asked in the board examinations. You are watching mathematical statement on the board. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle touches the smaller circle. Dear students, in order to minimize the communication gap, I will solve this mathematical question for you and for that very particular student in Kashmiri language. Two concentric circles. Concentric circles gay them the circle, even center asan shukuni. How much ak lockout? Back to board. A concentric circle gay them circle, even center asan kona, radius given different is. One you see undername emoki radius 3. You see nibrim emoki radius 5. A yapur chima card. Such current touch smaller circles, X points better. Yapur chama card, say AB chama card. You O A still radius, Kim O A to C O C radius, but smaller circle. Kya concentric circles. Concentric circles gay thumbs the circle even center asan chukuni. Ak ekish radius 3 centimeter, ish 3 centimeter. Is nimuk bite circle ish 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. तो जो उसनी कार्ड को तश बोर्ड चूंकि एक कार्ड वो सो ये सर्कल्स पर दोनों पॉइंट करान से ज्वाइन यानी ए पर बी तान कसा से लेंगा let two concentric circles वेश था याद concentric circles गए तब सर्कल में सेंटर आसान कोने be centered at O एमट सेंटर O be centered at O क्योंकि अगर तो ये OC as perpendicular cut AB is कित का नाश AB क्योंकि AB बन ये लिम्स एक पॉइंट पर टच कर ये बन अम्स टेंजेंट बड़े सर्कल्स खतर ये कार्ड लक्ट सर्कल्स बनी टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द रेडियस थ्रू पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट और निम्स क्या कर एक सी पॉइंट पर टच लिहाजा ये ट्रायंगल ये OC to A therefore OCA is a right triangle अथ मज क्या कर अथ मज कर Pythagoras theorem इस्तेमाल Pythagoras theorem base square ये triangles बना OC base square plus perpendicular square as hypotenuse square बराबर वो तेल OC square plus AC square as बराबर OA square ये गई Pythagoras theorem OC is dit is 3 centimeter AC is nes pai ki that square OA is pai is 5 centimeter 3 3s are 9 AC square with the thicken is equal to 5 5s are 25 khali AC square is barabar apart is punch ये 9 tar wood even minus 9 वो AC square still barabar punsan wasan 9 to shara khali AC का था बराबर यात बात स्क्वायर थोत यात का अंडर रूट 16 गो 4 सेंटीमीटर गो AC द्रावास 4 सेंटीमीटर मगर ये परपेंडिकुलर पे सेंटर पर ये करे कार्ड्स बाइसेक्ट गो परपेंडिकुलर drawn from the center bisects the chord ये कर कार्ड्स बाइसेक्ट गो दोन हिस्सन में तकसीम कर गो तलिस AC अगर ये ट्वाइस करूँ यह बराबर यानी AC करूँ ट्वाइस यह AB बराबर क्योंकि AC कड़ित यह कोता 4 सेंटीमीटर जरबी Z is equal to AB 4 जरबी Z गो 8 सेंटीमीटर is equal to AB AB क्या बुझ AB कार्ड length of cards, the length of card, Markim circle, length of card of larger circle. Larger circle. So what is 8 centimeter. Larger circle card, but smaller circle is basically tangent. Dear student, question got solved for you. In case of any query that strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query, by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But before leaving the class, I am advising you mathematics is a technical subject. It needs constant practice. Do practice mathematics inside your homes so that you can grasp the mathematical concept as well. And one more important thing is there, your examinations are approaching. Be inside your homes to prepare the things for the examinations. When you prepare the things for the examinations, for the coming examination, you will remain in the home isolation. In home isolation, you can also defeat the COVID-19 infection that has trapped badly uh, world in its trap. So be alert, be alive. Thanks. Be well,